let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take preparation movement and we start with natural turn, first 3 steps, then we dance pull step from hesitation change and rumba cross. We continue with natural pivots in syncopated timing, then curve feather, and then we change direction into chasse, outside change to promenade position, and from promenade we dance quick open reverse turn, and we finish with back check and natural pivot. Very good. Let's look once again and focus on direction of movement. So we will start diagonally to wall, we make preparation movement and dance natural turn, first 3 steps, moving diagonally to wall. We continue down line of dance with pull step and rumba cross. In same direction we move with natural pivots. Then curve feather diagonally to center and then diagonally to wall into corner. Diagonally to center in new line of dance we move with chasse. Outside change to promenade, we finish diagonally into corner and quick open reverse into corner and then natural pivot. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.